So you're thinking about joining 31. Let me give you my top tips and advice. What's up, bag babes? It is your girl, Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant. If you're new here, hi! My name's Rochelle. I'm a leader with 31 gifts. If you love the vibe in this tribe, you love 31, and you want to see what's going to be happening in the spring, summer, happening in a couple days, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Give these videos a big like. I always try to reach 100 so I can do the giveaway down in the comment section and ring that bell so you don't miss a video. I am going to showcase to you our fourth kit option for the spring summer that is a limited time. In this video, I'll be showcasing the actual products, and two, I'm going to give you my tips and words of advice when wanting to join in all the 31 perk. All right, first and foremost, spring summer is quickly launching March 1st. You know what that means, that you get access to the spring summer prints when you decide to come in on all the fun with 31. Normally we have three options of joining in terms of kit: a 59, a 99, and a 179. And of course, the medium one builds onto the smaller one, and the large one builds onto the medium to the small one. You get the idea. But the highlight of this video is the $20 kit. Yes, $20, okay, bag babes? $20 kits will get you in on behind the scenes on all the fun. What will $20 get you in this amazing pink box? Because let's be real about it, bag babes. It's more than just a pink box. It's a community, it's sisterhood, it's an extra income. It's just so many things for so many people that the bags and the pink box are just the surface. But I will go ahead and show you what you will get for $20. You will get 4 products. Now, these prints are not the actual prints, okay? You get to pick the prints and personalization in this $20 bundle kit. I'm letting you guys know right now. Take that pressure off of yourself. You don't need to know what prints and personalizations you need to know when you decide to click on that button and say enroll now or join now. All right, you will get a separate email immediately after you join. So the joining process takes like literally 5 minutes. You'll get an email which will walk you through each product that you can personalize and each product in terms of the print. So it's sort of fun. That's what I'm hearing. So I can give you that check of guarantee. So these prints no longer exist, but these are my stash. I want to showcase to you what you'll be getting. So first, in the $20 kit, you'll get our number 1 hot seller, which is our large utility tote. Go ahead, comment down below, how many of these have you had? If you're brand new to 31, first of all, welcome. You're about to have some fun here in this community. The large utility tote, LUT, as the bag babes or like you insiders know what it's called, LUT. Is that how you spell it? LUT. It's like the bag that keeps on giving. There's like 101 ways to use it. Everyone can use one of this. I don't know a person who does not find use for a large tote like this that's in a cute print, okay? So you have the canvas straps. All right, you have these rivets right here, the double weaved canvas straps, so that you can, it's durable and it holds well. You have a metal frame right here so that it holds its structure. One thing best about this is that it actually folds flat. You know those Tupperware plastic bins that you buy, you know, after Christmas traditionally? Yeah, those are bulky, and if you don't have any use, you're stacking it up and they're ugly. This one, when you're done using them, you can fold them, stick them underneath your car seat, stick them underneath your bed, and they tuck away right nice and comfortably. For me personally, I like to flatten them in my closet. I line them up against the wall like that. And when I'm ready to use them, you just pull them out, okay? That is the first item you'll be getting. Yes, you'll be get to pick the prints, okay? The next item that you will be getting, an essential storage tote. One thing about all the items in our kits is that there are tried and true, meaning that they've been lasting all these years, top sellers. Everyone usually loves them. So when you do decide to come on in behind the pink curtain, and if you want to do something big, do something small, I'm here for you. I would totally be honored to guide you throughout that journey. You get to decide, and you have all the hot tools, right, to use in order for you to share, and everybody can like kind of find something that they like. So the second item is the essential storage tote. Again, it is that standard tote that anyone and everyone can find something to use, okay? Again, canvas material, durable straps. I did forget to mention on the inside of the large utility tote, you have that laminated feeling. So if you do get some liquid on here, it quickly wipes away. Okay, I wouldn't say resistant, it just quickly wipes away. All right, the same concept is on our canvas totes, okay? And currently, now in 2022, all of these items will be made of plastic recycled bottles, okay? You know, so keep on recycling those plastic bottles, because guess what? It makes these things, all right? Again, one thing I love about this, that it folds nicely away. So when you're done using them, you can store it away, put them in between the car seats so you always have a tote. You can put them in your bag so you always have a tote. This is the item that you can personalize. Personalization will be free and included, and you can pick any personalization that is available. As you can see, this is a holiday print. No, it's not available. No, the penguin won't be available, but you know, he or she might be popping up during the winter, fall months later this year. So stay tuned, right? You never know. So item number 3 that's in the kit 3 and 4, you'll be getting a zipper pouch. All right, if you don't know, if you're new here, if you don't know about me, I love a pop-up color. Okay, I love my colors. So zipper pouch, canvas material on the inside, laminated material. Okay, I like using this 101 ways. This is my guilty pleasure. If I were to get everything in the zipper pouch, I have almost every print. Okay, yes, a notebook can fit here. Yes, an iPad can fit in here. You could put a ton of things in here. Helps with organization during the summer months. I will use this as a wet pouch, so lightly damped swimsuits I can put in here. I'm not talking about soaking, drenching wet, all right? Because this is like resistant, all right? When my kids, who are 9 and 6, they're relatively small, whenever they're going overnight or we are going out, let's like go into the snow here in the winter time here in California, I can always pack like a pair of socks, some pants and a t-shirt, and it would fit nice in here, okay? So this is a great zipper pouch, 101 ways to use it, all right? Again, tried and true. Another item, the last item you'll be getting is our Little's Carryall Caddy. I love this thing. I will show you a little hack on how I use this. Actually, I'll just put that video up above, okay? On the hacks on how you can use this in your car. But there's so many ways to use this. Just like our large utility tote, it's canvas with the double canvas strap. It has a metal frame here, so it keeps its structure. On the other side, you could tell it has a mesh, so if you can stick your stuff here, so good stuff on the inside, and if you have like long things that could stick on the outside, yes, it folds flat if you're not using this. These things fit so nice in our other items, so all of these complement each other, all right? For instance, 2 of these, if you were to fold it up, can fit in here, all right? You can fit 2 essential storage totes in here so that you'll always have a bag on hand. This is also can be like your mini mobile office. I've seen people do that, like they stick all their catalogs in here, whatever business you're in, and there, it's like a little clutch, and I'm ready to go, like with my mobile office. So these are the 4 items that you will be receiving in the $20 kit, along with the spring catalogs, all right? And also our how-to guide. Our how-to guide is kind of like a manual, like for your car. It'll walk you through some of the tips on how you can start off with 31 on a strong start and all that fun stuff. So this is the kit along with some catalogs. Can you say I like bright colors? You know, it kind of matches my energy and my personality for you guys who are brand new to me, okay? Here are my top tips, advice for you from someone who's been with 31 for 5 years, is at the leader level, has had 150 people at least have me as their sponsor. Thank you very much. I am so honored. And I'm number 3, top in the company in onboarding or, you know, launching, you know, getting them off to a great start. All of those 150 people, okay? This is what I've learned along the way. 1, when you are first signing up, you do not need to know the prints and personalization. So again, like I mentioned, take that pressure off of you, okay? 2, ask as many questions as you want. There's no thing as a stupid question, okay? I am a big proponent of being 110% ready and confident when doing something like this. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. If I don't know the answer, guarantee I can call Cindy and ask her myself. Just kidding. No, I will find someone who will have the answer, because, you know, being on that top level, I do have access to people in the company like that. Just saying. Another tip and advice for you, along with asking questions, I want you to interview the sponsor that you would like to join with, all right? The importance of that is that I want you to make sure that you and that sponsor have the same vision, okay? That you guys are compatible. Let's say if you want to get this pink box and you want to shoot to the top, I say why do it? Make sure that person that you join with can guide you up that path, all right? Or at least know who they can connect you with along that journey, okay? Now, if you just want the pink box because you want the pink box, shoot, that's okay too, all right? Everyone loves a great new prints. I know some of you guys have been waiting at least, 6 months for the new kits and the new catalog to flip over, all right? Again, support any journey, big or small, all right? Just make sure you ask questions, that you and your sponsor are on the same page. Don't feel pressured to know all the prints and personalization at the moment of signing up. And if you have any more questions, feel free to comment down below. Feel free to reach out to me directly. You got to go ahead and fill out that contact me form, or you can go message me on Facebook if that's more comfortable for you. We do have Bag Babe TV on Saturdays, every Saturday. Go ahead and pop in this Saturday, ask your questions. I got me and a whole bunch of consultants and girls on my team on the channel so that they can totally answer your questions and get different perspectives, okay? That's a perk with working with me, all right? Not only do you get me on YouTube, but you get access to my whole entire team, and we kind of do things as a whole, all right? So hashtag Team Possible, shoot it down in the comments, or you could give your team a shout out down below. I'm all about the sisterhood, and I'm all about empowering others, bringing each other joy. So if that is your thing and you love the vibe in this tribe, go ahead and continue to hit that subscribe button. Check out these playlists that I got for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta!